Previously on part 1.
What other clashes you either win or lost on 4x4?
There were so many dons.
So when you got to Soul Supreme, was Jake still there or Jake's left?
Jake's left. And me and Fire Pryor, Matterhorn, everybody know. For you know, say me carry up at the yard. And said to you, and say, Russ, say Firelinks, Larry, this is Firelinks. Right at that interjuice in life start. It was Renaissance, Adonai, Matterhorn. I saw now the 2001 fully loaded outcome when Matterhorn and Adonai are going to clash.
What happened with that?
And Matterhorn carried the feelings and around with him, you know. Him carried that feelings, you know. All him did and by the say, you know. And but him know, because on the beach, Sharonberg come to tell Livingston not play through Matterhorn. The 2000, the December. So on 27, the next 5 days of New Year's. I come to the summer now for the fully load, but before reach or so. So now, him did a little bit with me. But all me remember now, say Admiral Bailey in March, we still get date and we still have a couple of dates we still play. It's just some current date the promoter call, you know, Renaissance, black it, done with it.
Yeah.
So it happened that now, we still have play. And thing I have a dance where Merciless put me upon in a Clarendon, one brother named Tucker. Clarendon people know. Every year him keep it memorial. Seeing says like, I don't know if I see him Tucker dance or I want next somebody we could play for, or the same Tucker dance, but I think, so we could play. It was told of Cinemax. Cinemax, I think maybe Jake's played that time there. I think he played that time before. Yeah, I think he played 2001 before he come back. Yeah. And think and have the whole show week, you know. Cinemax stole of an Adonai. That Merciless show at Clarendon. The Transformer bus. So when the Transformer bus now, meanwhile me I keep a dance the next week, you know. You know who up on my dance?
What that?
Who up on my dance the next week? A Seafood Garden. Firelinks.
Yeah.
That's the March now. Admiral Bailey party. And some always remember Admiral Bailey born March. So when we go to book now, and the other show and the Transformer League now, I say, Dread, I see Admiral Bailey, you know, and him come and see with one bag of carry load of campaign him dancing. And I say, Bailey, I keep a dancer saying, I come here dance no matter what. And man said, pray away, I say, man, you know. Pure carry girl hang out tight and pure Indian, because Capron pen full of Indian and brown girl. And so anyway, I say, yeah, man. And so I say, all right. So I say, Dread, I want to go back, I want to reach Admiral Bailey party. Because my dancer next week, you don't know. Ray see you and him say, come on, dance, we'll have Vybz and Ray. Say, so we go and reach a Capron pen now, clink on the football field. We go in, him heal me. Strong heal. Go on, I say, but there. I say, yeah, man, you don't know, you know. I see there 5 children come for play for Admiral Bailey and just tell him about my dance. Links know about my dance, you know. Because next week I'm a dance, you know. I say, we just want to come play 2 tunes and big up Bailey. You know, it go, because we are look one crowd. We are look a crowd, because say, go. When Bailey come down there with some Capron pen people or announce for dance. So, he must say, yeah, man, everything good. So we reach about 5 minutes or 10 minutes to 4. He not go play now. So when he go play who mixing, Ras Adonai, the Dread. Because it's not a fire dance. It's a birthday. Wear a long dress and long mouth boot. So that's what I tell Solomon go on, them no bad, hey, a chance to get, man. Because them dance, say, when him say, yeah, man. And 5 minutes ago, then Firelinks, and him start playing now. You know, you don't know, but they're easy. So he reach about 4:40. About 4:35 minutes, I say, Links. You know. So he must say, boy, yeah, man. So when I see it a reach to one level now, we gone about 4:50. And I remember say, Links, to your brother, man, give me a little run, to play the little thing all long, because him did that try boss a place, and him can't boss a place. Because he made that the fire world. When I burn the fire, but this is our birthday, this is our party.
More juggling.
Yeah, this is Myla music, Myla talking, different talking, versatility. No, you can't, boy, fire! No, dress a long dress out there on heels. And rifle them and some bugger people in that the place. But born to the punish and beanie, an assassin. So when him goes to book now, and think I say, my youth, brother, yo, a man, you know, we don't start, because after this, man, I go getting a run. I know. So I tell him, say, like, I tell him, say, my youth, that's some man, you know, want to sting this, you know, brother. So same time, I tell him, say, I'm going to sting the bounty so want work, you know. Because you know, bounty, because you know him. Yeah,
you don't kill already.
Yeah, you know, say, when I said that to him about 4:55, and me, I said that to him, Admiral Bailey come through the gate cap on the veranda, you have a veranda on the football field. I come through the veranda gate and I say, yo, Bounty say I'm ready, you know, you think I sting this? A bag of morning thing, you know. And I said, John, you see it? So he have to give Admiral Bailey come and stretch his mic, so he have to give Admiral Bailey the mic. So when him give Admiral Bailey the mic, no one thing. I say, you see, brother, you come like a, answer the P word to him. I say, you come like a, brother, he dip on the dance. And where you supposed to, because I remember 3 months ago, I'm still to, you know, him know, so, it not like it wasn't a 3 months, you know. It not like it was the sound of now, when I play together, Matterhorn, we're not playing, so, you know, see? So, if I even like a vindicate, if it do for me, or, so me I say, yo, see, by the time I say to him and call him the P word, when I lie, and Bailey walk for go back through the gate for go give Bounty my man say, hold on the Bailey, hold on Bailey, something forgot for say. Hold on and Bailey say, yo my the school man. Right. But Bailey still come give him the mic. And from him sing go some say more this because I know him stay.
Yeah.
I know him tan. Terrible human being. So me know so from him sing go and get the mic, the man go say. What the man say? Man say people them bad mind me or some selector in your bad mind me. And I go and let them take man for fool. Like people what some man a bad man for. People, when you see Adonai pan posters, when you see Adonai pan the posters, so the Admiral Bailey dance posters him a talk about, you know. You know who a mix between the hip hop them, and all those songs, all them a ball out fire for the time. I the dread from Adonai and mix with this man, you know. The man who own Adonai Sound, you know. The man that who dead with him, you know.
But if you know this is his character, boss.
Why?
Why?
Why? That's why these youth will grow right now, them not getting a chance. These youth, no chance, them not get around with them youth nowadays. Brother, listen.
It's almost like your fault, though.
Yeah, come on, for real. But take it. Because remember, some get a couple beaten in the past from him. I know him stay. In nobody. So me go some book now. And man say, oh, he say, I don't know, put the posters, boy, them bad by me and be some. Oliver grab the mic out time, and you know. Some and these man living, you know. Yeah, these man living, you know. Same way Oliver from Metro Media, you know. Grab the mic out time and I say, Links, you can't do that, brother. I pray that would just try with you a couple months ago, you know. Links, nothing to demand that. So through them time, I never left from a ratchet neither. My papa from a ratchet guy, I have a brother one named Bujo. A customer come from CV and argue and him know the truth too. Because him have a youth to carry him record box named Tuffy. They drop out now from the Vietnam named Tuffy. See? So Oliver grab the mic from him. Because him a talk a go away. And I dread there as I said we and really no respect and really man. Because Oliver them know everything. Say me, I'm a career that I put on the line. I'm a career, brother. It a sink. Right if you know me I do. Just for you, just to the eye water and just to the sea view and my community and but no. Papa I'm a ratchet and thing and some soldier did it on the football field because Admiral Bailey have soldier stop. So when him goes a book now, I'm Papa I'm a ratchet, the soldier say, selector, ease yourself. I wouldn't want this here. In disrespect you still you know. But if you keep on, I've got disrespect you. Put back your ratchet, man, them take away my ratchet. The soldier them not even take away my ratchet. The man them sit and know, because them the right of the grill. And then the argument of them brother of course, I say, hey boy, come and stand up. And ray, because the dance now, the mic get quiet and ray until before it start back, you know. Say, now, this we vex now. And
so remember, no, this is...
That of March 2000.
This is, well, hold on. This is Firelinks now, Tony Matterhorn, and Renaissance. So it's a trade them you're not linking
and
with.
Stolov don't really play with that with me that much. Because one thing with Stolov, I can't tell you about them. When you're a big sound, that's why I'm saying start the load. When you're a big sound, him don't play with your regular. When you're boss, him don't play the regular. It's a marketing strategy he use. Yeah. Him play there 1 or 2 times, because after he might get a date, but this might maybe have somebody will really check for him, give him that date there, but in our career, Him hardly played with Adonai.
So you guys, okay, so then now Adonai started to take time, go down at this time here right now.
Down.
Because remember, you're not linking. These
No
are the
big man. We're not a big gun them where we play together and we are one man against the world now.
Yeah.
One bad guy. If Matterhorn, remember saying me and Mr. Fully Loaded, you know, and we had a fully loaded sound, you know, and him at now, you know, him at, you know, because a 2 year that I got 3 year and I'm at this now, naming as Matterhorn, you know, 98 in boss, you know. Still, and so, now, you know, him not play, you know. Sharon Burke might listen to him more than ever we. And the thing is now, so, everything tumble, I come down power.
Yeah.
So now, but they don't know, and all blame upon me. All things upon me. Because I know
you
me go through.
open the door. You open the door for
him. Him know me go through. Him just wicked and terrible. So me end up now, if you face it with all the manager too. Because the manager, the next boss, different from the Rasta, say, yo, get rid of him, man. No, and the Rasta said, John, no, you don't know. I treat him of him as a friend. You might help him. I help him, man. You give him a suspend. Now, remember, say, our selector now, we have a selector named, the same selector named Desi.
Yeah.
So all the while, he might tell about an artist named Vybz Kartel, because them have a group. And him bad. And I was tell me and I tell the dread. You know, him tell anybody. You know, so we say, you know, so one day now him carry Kartel to us, carry Kartel to the dread. Up at Adonai yard. And I saw the Russ now and Kartel get to meet. So do couple dub plates. Them time the car we have guns like mine, enough little dub plate we have. Where all of them thing the way we all the song with DMX do with the, what the bitches want, him have it not in theme way, we him give it.
Yeah.
We have every little thing and you go, but we have couple thing.
And this was from before he got his boss.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is from 2000.
Yeah, he got his break in
I got
2002.
I got late. 2000 late ago 2001.
Yeah.
So, yeah, to the middle of 2000. Yeah, and get a couple dub plates and thing, and, you know, I start know him, so, like the rest get a show at Bermuda. So when he get the show at Bermuda now, in Daddy English on the show, Singer Jay's on the show, and Assassin. So, it happened that, it's like the promoter want the next artist. But to our Kartel, I check the dread or cut the dub, the man thing, and from the Ras scene, the Ras no say, him have talent, him bad. Because Desi I talk about him all the while and Desi carry him, so. Like the Ras link him up now one thing. So like the Ras I said to him, so Ray, to him and Kartel have the passport.
Yeah.
That's how early. When Dread say, no, the Dread time go link up the passport. And then my second name, Dave Marshall, now we go for the passport for me manager. When manager name again? Butler. On Alpha Tree Road. I think maybe one of them bank there. I don't know if a cable or wireless or one of them insurance, but right on Alpha Tree Road after you pass, we should have clap there and go down some more. Go take a taxi, go to Butler. Because Butler is supposed to remember these things. Get the passport, go back up to the RAS and thing and information and all those stuff and whatsoever are when to do. Because those days you have, I think, them transit flight.
Yeah.
Where if you go Bermuda, it's like a triangle. You go Jamaica, you go Miami from Jamaica, New York, Bermuda. So like it's a triangle. So grass have to sort it out and thing, and when him get back in passport, I was sorry, but the rest asked him about the passport, he never have none. Get the passport, link it up now. So when the date of the traveling now, me and Russ, they are foreign. For sure. I'm a fly back in. I fly back in for my birthday, the 6th of November, flying back. And me and Kartel I left the 9th. So like the Tuesday and the Friday, we and Kartel I left for the show. So when we did the thing and call Kartel, like we go sign, my friend named D. Marshall live at Greater Portmore. So when we call Kartel, far for the phone, come have him number and thing and say, yo, what go on? D. Marshall I left from Greater Portmore with a taxi and I come pick you up a Waterford, because it never was the Gaza. Pick you up a Waterford. When I talked to him on the phone, he said to me, Pryor, Yeah, talk about taxi come pick me up already. That about me, I call him about 2 o'clock, 2:30, you know. About that me I call him, you know. Cause a 6:30 flight in the early morning. So I go so I call him, he must say, Pryor, what you talk about? I'm not there no Waterford, brother. Right now, I keep a party at Waterford. I have a drink and they are drunk right now. When I go you put cartel there, you put from 2:33.
Yeah. Yeah.
And dime liquor. Well, nice. Till sometimes you feel like some more time I want to be afraid of playing neatly. Yeah, but I think him do.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, but I first time I travel and thing. So when we go son, we go to airport and meet him and know, so all right, what go on and thing. Yeah, him did I laugh. We have him passport, book him in. Book him in, sit down, wait, leave, go Miami. Then a transit flight. So we reach Miami about 7:30 in the morning, about 7:30, 7:40. Hunting and when him reach him stomach no feel good neither, him vomit. So we there look for tea but Miami airport not open yet.
Yeah.
The place still locked down. And Miami airport is one of the biggest airport, you know. They say, so we still walk to book up a hot dog place. Big up Vybz Kartel. Yeah, you don't know no matter what happen. You don't know so real. And you're real. Big up yourself. You know, so buy that dog, I beat to go to 30 years. Buy that dog. And think I'm stomach.
Yeah.
Cause we know we have travel a long time. Cause a foreign me left from come down and I go back, you know. With him, you know. So it's like buy that dog that joke. Vomit again. And then flight you know. But we did it from 7:30 in the morning. The plane we walk up until New York now left till 5 in the evening, you know. And reach about 9 o'clock, so you know, or 8 o'clock, something 9 o'clock. So the whole day we did there asleep, you know, we get up and sleep till a week, you know, and lay down, you know, upon the chair, you know. Because my visa could have go New York, Bermuda, you know. But we had travel, so we take with the ticket
So
buy.
you're on the transit.
Yeah, me on the transit, because remember, so me had the dread there for and fly down. So me have visa. My second, as me tell you, say, him the lose him visa. So Dave not have a visa and Cartel not have a visa. So me go to book and reach New York. DJ for it again. That thing and, you know, we did it and thing and anyway, on the way to Bermuda and thing. When I look now, I saw one pretty girl who had each up beside of the plane. When I look, the promoter will keep the dance sister. Me up and talk to. And she said, where you going? I said, you know, we have a show. And she said, she named Shaida. He named Sly and she named Shaida. So, you know, I know her, no one come in. He come like them watch a DJ. Because when he reach Bermuda, him still taking from it again. And then now, them hold on him. But Bermuda now, you know, it's not a big airport. By the time you go and pass, the man we call customer at the back door you go through, one right behind them the door, I just gone out. I think the customer and the immigration now one. Them time there. So them end up carrying him in a room. Because them feel like a drugs.
Okay, because he keeps
Yeah.
vomiting.
Yeah, but I think at the power when the liquor when drink. Because Cartel give you the whole of money, man. Cartel get about 3,000 US, you know.
Yeah.
Them time there, you know. And when he Ross say, like when the Ross team say, how much you want? And think, he must say, Ross, you want 5 bills, Ross have 5. Ross say, you mad? And the Ross demand talk to the promoter and get 3 figure again. so it happened that when he goes to bomb the one, him go out and see the promoter. Because he pull the door, the promoter right, I saw wait. The Bermuda small, the immigration know, the promoter where him live, him know him mother, him sister, him brother, him
Bermuda small.
Yes, so him know. So me say to him, say, yo, them want to take with the DJ. You know, go in there and see if you can save him, because you understand, and a joke, I know that. The first time I travel, and you understand, I go there. So same time, him going there, and the man said, like him, said, Mr. Wainwright, the immigration. And he must say, yeah, man, and Ray, that man come explain to him, and he must tell him, he must say, make sure, you know. And he must say, oh, come on, man. He must say, all right, Sly. And make sure everything organized and everything okay. We're going to be at the show and Ray. And
that's his first flight.
first flight, 2001. November.
Because when I listen to a song Most High, you could tell it's in the, I think it's probably a second line in the second, something like that. He talks about Adonai, something I spin like Adonai turntable. He
Yes.
could have said any other song
any
on
other
planet
song.
Earth. Any
Any
other
other
song.
song.
But he chose Adonai.
Billy lyrics that the way for make Adonai name could have called.
Yes, because everything was leading up to
Yeah,
Adonai.
smoke eye. Yeah. Smoke weed, so they didn't call me the most high. Yeah, it would spin like a turntable if it is Adonai. It is a dread you are good. You understand? So by the time with the Bermuda and thing now, that the English for the show, singer J for the show, that thing them reach before we. Assassin. You understand? So me and Dave Marshall and Kartel, we aspire. Got the bike place and thing, forget two bike. Can't even bike the DJ. I think could have ride. Him could have ride the bike. Straight up. Him could have ride the little scooter.
Yeah.
Because we are ride away for wait upon him. You understand? Come go to Bermuda already. Go ride upon down. All Dave Marshall a better rider than me. Him bad. And me learn I'm bad too. But him bad. So, you know, we have to wait upon him and go and show him how the bike and make him go and take time. But should we don't have to wait upon him? Assassin and singer and that English them. They are front of the gone, man. Sometimes they are one different road and them there's somewhere else, man. So even when we go for the bike and thing and thing, we have to, you know, film learn for you could ride it and thing until even the same time that we keep a show with the same show I keep with the promoter book. And one of the Bermuda and them go outside and show stone all of the promoter vehicle and cause all problem that night they're in trouble and you know, them I say we have to go a country film. And for them country like from 3 miles to about Spanish Town, you know, or maybe out of Boulevard area. Them town far for them country. And we'll we go there to and you have to apologize and fix it up and thing. But it end up now with the show. I go on the next night now, you know. And them tell the assassin of a thing name, oh, we roll in a Lexus cruise control. And have a next one and say, to make money, you know, it's a plan. Kartel now have the song. Kartel have a song with Girl Clown with Bounty, but it never put out her, it never like advice and you know. I think so that the English them are the big act on the show. Them bigger than Assassin. Because of them have the Q45 tune them. You know, Bun and man I give you Bun and the singer J Panitan. Girl your heart like fire.
Yes.
And the English and so the night them a DJ and them a sing and them a go on and them a get them forward and Kartel touch the one time and you know upon the rhythm and thing and I read the show and so we bring him the interest you know me for him the interest he has and I feel so I said to him say hey you are going the money have each song you know or the money have song that people know you lyrical at them time them DJ straight
DJing fast, yes. Fast.
And thing shot, cutting shot, putting shot, titty shot, any shot, and thing and I say, yeah, what? So before, see next time you talk, I get no rhythm. Remember like yesterday. Cause that English, them sing pan rhythm and I get the forward, cause for them tune, them have tune, pan rhythm. I'm just go song. Who tell me if I go do that? When the man goes on and say like him, that's oh come on, tan. Whoa!
Yeah.
Place boss. See? And yo, the man go on good at the show. You understand? Till we did a couple of days, you know? I think and that's how me end up have a dub plate with Assassin and Kartel. I don't know if I sound of it till now. I don't know because right after the Bermuda show, I think him go foreign. With him there England and things like that go on.
Yes.
And the tune them start swell up out here now, them a release. But him say, born to see my friend, I must say him say, yo, what you do? Me hear something down so I play. So, cause him so me come me look for him and wonder me can't find him neither or see me now. And I know say him gone to England, you know. So me I hear smoke weed, I say, what? Smoke weed, I tell him call, yeah, they spin turntable, Adonai and couple more thing, a peep out, jamming son. You know, a release couple thing and it that's that even when we there Bermuda and thing, Because as me tell you, say, Assassin them have song and thing, you know. They don't want to do the dub plate. So, you know, a little bit, you know, because Assassin's that man were into himself, you know, where the care where him go. The one time he had him travel, the only time I see him really happy and like socialize that time there is when him up on the bike and him attack and I ride. And ran all the way attack and over for the bike them. But so even when I did the dub plate, me, you know, my idea, I said, this a dub plate a bad, legendary. Because sister, this two boy are bad. You see it? Because I said, Daddy just sing a J, then I cut for them dub like, I think I cut one combination with them. And then I cut the single with English and sing a J. But me I say a combination here with a bad. So me I pray, because it's a dub plate wizard, me mad, you know, I love dub. So me I say, so we link up and I say, Kartel. I say, I'm ready anytime, man. I want to hear, man, and you name Lava Pryor, anything you say, boss, right? Kartel call me every name already, you know, boss, me done, everything, you know. Me done, my boss, my general, everything. A straight love. So, yes, all right. So I'm going to link Assassin and Assassin number 2 in night. People just talk where we can't, if I talk the truth, we can't tell a lie. We have to say the truth. So when I link Assassin, I want to do it. So I go back in the back and forth and, you know, I say, Assassin, what you do? I say, what do you have on a red screen? I come sit down and wait for you, you know. And thing, you know, or whatsoever, you know, you have to have a selector, you know, every DJ, no matter what, you have to have a selector with us, you know, so embrace your song them and play them, you know, and reason with them. And you know, make it, you know. So, but even at that time, the Kartel is kind of vex, you know. And thing, and I said, no, man, do the dub by myself prayer. Just want to get a run, boy, you know. Just want to get a run, you know. I'm going to have to tell you the rest. Because, you know, we don't like, we just have to talk the truth. But at the era there, certain things even start. That's why sometimes I'm afraid of him too. Because when him say things, he won't do it.
Yeah.
And in the earth.
We said that's where the whole confusion with Assassin and Kartel started.
I think, because I don't think they get to meet up back in an argument.
Yeah.
Because him they go England and him come back and him tune him around the place and maybe somewhere else or what, but that apart, that up when me looking at him eye, the venom. Because me still have to persuade him, you know, when Assassin say yeah to me, I know say it's like it hard. But if he say, yo, come the man, oh yeah, the man, and you don't know me in general. I'm a second Dave Marshall, and him just say, all right. And we do it for the mission with him, because I have to juggling for the mission with him. You understand? And it's one of the baddest dub, a legendary dub that. Yeah. Because if maybe, I don't know if any other sound I must remix it. If you have a sound, it's not too much. Maybe one more, or none.
Have those there.
Yeah, so.
You see, because I know enough, when I was listening to a mix, the Biggie and Vybz Kartel mix there, the Pharaohs.
Yeah.
When you listen to that, all you hear in that dub is Dread and Pryor. Dread, Pryor, Dread, Pryor, Dread, Pryor. Was Scorpion around the sound those times there, or where was Scorpion at that time? Because all you hearing was Dread and Pryor in the tune.
2001. He was there come 2002 and thing. But up in the latter part now, him end up going sound name One Blood.
Yes, wasn't Nuts playing that sound?
And Nuts, I think Nuts was playing it first.
Nuts from Super D.
I think maybe.
Okay,
I think so.
Isn't that song from the States somewhere? From like.
I think it's from the state because
from like Wisconsin or something like that.
Because the man first named John Gotti. John Gotti, he used to run the song, but he used to run Adonai to inspire and link up when we got the yard and see him and thing, you know. But I think maybe something Upman Scorpion, maybe jump shift and we just left me you know, for come take it on and Desi. Because Desi was still there.
Yeah.
Even when I think him when him kind of want to leave the sound or choose certain things.
Yeah.
So that early part, where them early Kartel were Dread Cut and things, Scorpion naming of them. But after like coming up to the maybe 2003, 4, them time they went now, me 2002, 3, me was Chuck Fenda and Richie Spice. And Fountain Moja.
Yeah. So then this is the culture area now. That
really
came
creeping now after 2002. And thing, and we get Adonai Kartel dub, Smoke Weed, all of those dub. When the vibes start, we are not afraid. We get all of them dub there. to me, we get all of them dubbed the Straight Assassin, what a true name Straight. So me I get Kartel and Assassin pan same rhythm too. And you know, cause straight up to the war now done those military rhythm and them rhythm then. So when it come towards even about 2003 now, because we see one drop before one drop come in. So the dread always a cut, you know, all them artists there till all when Natty King find the tune, guns come to town and all those things. Me about Chuck Fenda now. Them have a team named Fifth Element.
Yes.
2002. I got 3 now. And with the Ras carry the dub plate to me now, I'm surprised I've got to listen to them here now, where I put Chuck Fenda on road. And Richie Spice. But Chuck Fenda was before. And then a little tip after Richie Spice forward. So we start. So one day now we have a big dance. Oh, Chuck Fenda was bust through the door, now we have a big dance now. Don't Ochi named Red Stripe Light. And thing, and we are got the dance. And when we are got the dance now, we see where my second link me coming in front of a taxi. And my second link me I said, yo, Pryor, we left the new dub box with the cable turn them on the bone to them, you know. And I said, I lie. So him start fret now, cause that a lose job thing, you know. So him start fret and I say, we have fret about. We have. Him say only the dub box with the Chuck Fenda and the Richie Spice them. And the one drop them. And I say, they no boss Chuck Fenda, that's how confident me in my world. I said, they no boss Chuck Fenda, the boss no man.
Yeah.
And Richie Spice no man. But that's why I know, so we have a dub box. And rare. But if you don't know, the cinema tempt me and Adonai big dub the man. I'm from our players, all them something there. Dead Zone, all them big tune there. The cable turn them, everything. Him left a box there. Can't make the boss know him because before we go in the dance, you know, him go through, him have the dub box, him flip and open it and go and look through some things. I'm at the back of the car. So I end up that. Reach at the show now. Pana show the bass and this is the pana show there.
Buddy, you keep
Stone
walking
Love.
up the song here, boss.
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
I just.
Stone Love. Stone Love bass and this me, Rebel T. It named Red Stripe Light. So you're not gonna get no that's the next thing when someone show about 5 sound up on the show. A sound. So you're not gonna get no whole heap of time. You always go on. Somebody don't use my head already. I know, so let's play some bad 45, some bag or something. But it still surprised me still. Because when we reach to my part now and me I come in, me I forward now, I'm gonna play on one entry and thing and say, people, never new artist. In there, I do him thing long time. Chuck Fenda. And people them say, hey, I say, oh, don't know him song. And the people, I'm a DJ for them. Shout your mouth when bad man talking. Come a DJ myself on the mic. And the whole place sing it. I'm say, hey, but him not that anymore. Him a rest now. He must say clean out and say no to crime and rare. I'm going to tell you something. Mr. Chuck Fenda, yeah? Him a boss now. Chuck Fenda, that tune, yeah, him a boss tonight. I mean tonight him a boss. When I mean little more than the night. I mean this minute, this second right now.
Yeah.
No. A 4 of them a play straight. Even basically selected them and stole of everybody. Surprise. But I don't know if I think Weepo did that or I think because Weepo link him. I said, but I never know you're a DJ, Chuck Fenda, because Chuck Fenda called me and tell me, I said, yo, Weepo, just link me. The next day, because I have a brother, I don't know if a Congo will beat the drum, ride from Ochi, because I ride, Chuck Fenda tell me, say, ride and come check him, I'm here at Spanish Town. I say, the youth, Adonai, yeah, my war. The man mash up down so with 4 Chuck Fenda or 5. Man play some whole heap of Chuck Fenda and Chuck Fenda call me out of my yard and I say, yeah, man, I will tell you, man. And he started tell me. So when him go up, when Weepo must link him also and he must go around and stole of our and Weepo said to him, but I don't know say I teach them a song, yeah, man. And what you do, man?
Bad son.
We just call if he ELS still and know what go on and give him my money. Not even dub the man say Weepo cut that day there. Not even dub him, just call him. Tell him, say, boy, congratulations, man, you go hard. I'm not one of them song there. I know him award them and thing. And from that,
Yeah, God.
the Richie Spice and Chuck Fenda through the gate, them telling me, Fantan Moja, I don't have cash up, I go for him. And put him on the one drop. And we put him on the one, if you listen to our rise, or if you listen to our eyes, is sound different for everybody. Light. Because his voice not even...
He didn't catch it
yet.
Yeah.
Because we see the artist, them, that's how the dread stay.
Even somebody I know that you guys were even instrumental in bringing them back into the light was Jack Cure.
Yeah, Jack Cure now. Jack Cure now, the rest have a studio. Russ is the first man we know have a mobile studio like where Pantherson use. If we never see it with a thing when Pantherson have it at the first time that they a long time now. The Russ are the first one bring down that car. True Russ, you know, listen. The man they hug up and kiss double. The man they love music. The man they take all him one money and come and find and go see that mix of that studio or something there and buy it. So when him come a yard with it now one thing. That's all now. So we start go Cableton yard. We have to go to the studio again. Cableton does come out time house. Bubble them in the yard.
Yeah.
And when bubble them all 30 bubble in the yard, you know. Same can't even go if we cut them dub their studio, it don't cost money, you know. Or whatsoever, you know. Every bubble in the yard get 2 songs, you know. And then Cableton, every bubble. And I remember if you have 40 bubble out there, 14 parish if a bubble come from. If I hand over, out the song. And he might come check Cableton. So that's how we on Cableton all do a bridging long time, because the rest have to cut all them dub the first, you know, for the bubble them, you know, then Adonai dub cut, you know, we get to a 6 or 7 through, you know. You understand? And I said we go everywhere. So even with Jack Cure and the Drop Leaf, at the Russ take the same mobile studio and have a link to Spanish Town prison and send it, go give Jack Cure. That's how we get our dub. Send it in, go give him it. That's all Drop Leaf Vice. That's all Reason. The next
Seasons Rhythm. Okay.
Vice.
That's how they voiced on dub, or that's how the 45 was voiced?
45 for Dan Corleone. That's how it Vice. That's never done. It's not done Corleone. Jack Cure Vice it from prison. He might get a rhythm. But him from prison Vice and that mobile studio with the Russ, him.
Yeah.
Left it there. And so I saw the eat them come out of prison. The only thing where him vice a prison maybe
probably was prison walls.
Yeah, when him vice must have John the
behind these prison walls.
Yeah, for some face.
But all of those Don Corleone stuff was voice.
Was Vice
on Adonai's portable studio.
Russell left it give him.
Yeah.
Can we get 2 dub plate to one, maybe 2 other link to I think Mighty Crown them.
I think even Nitro had somebody dub them from those times.
You understand? And him start and say make millions.
Boss.
The rest link him up, Spanish Town, get few dub, left it give him, and each song out of prison. Vice for Dan Corleone, the Seasons Rhythm, as I say, and maybe 2 more with a member. Because him have it there for a while, because he never get released. He was there still.
Boss,
I mean, I know how the Russ see them vision there. The Russ dangerous. Yeah, first man go around with a studio, and we just put it down right there and just Vice.
Yeah. I don't think Adonai really gets even the Dread gets his really respect
yes,
that he deserves. Because you see the thing with it, Adonai had a bright spark, but it was for a short time though.
Yeah.
You see, like between that 99 to 2000, 2001, that time right there, Adonai was firing down the place. But as I said, they were so futuristic, but it wasn't a long run. It was a short, crazy run.
Crazy run. Because because 2002, 3, when me a boss Chuck Fenda now, that's a 2001, 2. I'm the first English talking selector, and Adonai is the first English playing sound. Went to Panama and Costa Rica. Those things are Guinness Book of Record.
What?
The first English talking selector.
Yeah.
And my second who play the music. Even you have a brother over there with the radio station named Icon. Him can tell you, when we go over there, we have to write it on the wall, write it in books, write down Adonai here, the first sound from Jamaica. It was no big sound that me band come see. No disrespect to any one of them, but Adonai is the first go to a Latin, Spanish or Latin speaking country. We are the first sound to Panama, first sound to Costa Rica.
Okay, so you guys went to Panama. You guys went to Costa Rica. Where else did Adonai go in this time here too? That you could say was monumental for a song to go.
We have Caribbean tour. I think we had only someone do a whole Caribbean tour at that time. First though, because we go a lady named Cherry, from Antigua, I think. Oh, she have all the link in the Caribbean, and you know we went a lot of places, Barbados, Antigua, Trinidad, St. Kitts. We end up own St. Kitts and Nevis, like a place.
Yeah.
We build them dance hall. We are one of them selector, and yeah, so Tortola, couple place, well.
Yeah.
St. Martin, St. Lucia, all those places.
As a dancehall song.
Dancehall.
Yeah.
And yeah, we are go St. Kitts and Nevis from the ferry before. I'm going to Nevis before them off airport. No, airport wasn't there. We come at St. Kitts.
Yeah.
And take the ferry go over. We are afraid to take all the ferry and play them until we reach at St. Kitts. Till we reach at Nevis. That's so long. When we go Nevis have Jungle, Rima, Tivoli, Matches Lane. They have the same name like we.
Okay. In
Jamaica.
Nevis.
In Nevis.
Yeah.
Because last time I got there about 2017, last time. And I got there, some man get up and say, prayer, like he must say to him, say, if you remember prayer, when I first time come here, and the man say, hey man, I remember when I come here up on Matches Lane.
Yeah.
Man said, no man, you to the Matches Lane, man. The first time I played on the beach on a jungle. I said, Jamaica. Oh my God, that's so. Yeah. Yeah, man. And the man said, when him go up Matches Lane, brother, I CD them time there. When him go Matches Lane, when him there jungle, remember say record days that. He must say, yeah, true. Man say just remember, I say you go remember when prayer come the first time at jungle.
Yeah.
A record, brother. And then after that 2005, I go to Japan. Me and Mighty Crown pan tour. And play in Nagoya,
Yeah.
Yokohama, Tokyo, and somewhere else, Nagoya, Yokohama. I try to remember, but it was a 3 or 4 show with Mighty Crown.
With Mikey Crown them.
And we, because the rest of Mighty Crown them good friends and chin them back then, we end up line up all that tour. We and Mighty Crown tour. We do a tour in Jamaica, tour the whole of Jamaica. The Margaritaville, the end of we want to call out this so end of the Westmoreland, everywhere. Carry Mighty Crown to Jamaica and tour them.
Yeah.
Plan it up and give them the idea and do it. We know many things. Many sound. There's many sound where Adonai help out the Ras. Even Black China are part of it too.
You guys were linking with Black China then?
Even Black China was friends and many things the Ras do. Many things.
Yeah.
But 3.5 whole part time, there's so many history. So after 2005, Japan now with Mighty Crown, with 2006 is Africa now.
Africa, you guys went to go play sound bars.
Sound. When we go, we reach night, we have like about 300 US in my pocket. 2 of them reach motherland and feel happy, I give her everything. Forgot to send me the money. The people will come out 1,000 people like what you see them do it now. Ears. Adonai as a sound, get them receive the RAM. And hear about Adonai the sound of the future. 2006, I think it's going to summer. I think it may be about May, June. And think. And when we come out, and we have a bodyguard. Because the people are so serious and want to and know about the sound because we have a thing them is we do Reggae Gold 2000, you know. And
yes, for VP Records.
And even before that, I forgot to tell you that. Is we the VP record, we put out all mixtape for them. Anything with them have to release is we put out that. So till when VP record do the Black People Parade, the parade, what you call it?
West Indian Day Parade.
Yeah, the West Indian Day Parade. I was on the chuck back. Adonai play on the chuck back with Beanie Man, Sean Paul, Sprague Benz. And when them, because remember said people walk behind the truck, you know, and we up on the truck top. Little Kim was beside me. We get a chance to even wind up on Little Kim. That is so good. Big up Little Kim. And then now through Beenie Man and Sprack them a DJ and the truck a move and it go places and places and thing, and you reach a part of rainfall, then you reach back with sunshine by you and we up on the truck back. So through we play for a minute now, I come like we played out. Me just did there and say, yo, yeah, you my Scorpion. Your brother named Lexus, you know chat on Lexus tune, and him did there because him know and him sit down the same because me and Scorpion and Dread was on it. Me got to Beenie Man and said, Beenie Man, like how you and Bunty war over the years. And one of the biggest clash in the dancehall history. Me come from Seaview Garden. Me DJ Bunty tune, and you DJ Beenie Man, your tune. And he hold the mic back from me and say, people, what you say, try with him? And the people them say, yeah, got a massive crowd.
Yeah.
And same time the Dread just run off the secret him. I'm being the man say, well, if I put him on the side, tell him fi try. Nothing better try like a fella, me boy. This Beenie Man and make me fans cry. For the white people, because it's a singing tune, the whole, I know thousands of people on the Rockaway. I hear the people say, oh, that's the word. I'm just going to grab the mic from him like a million, bunt it to and make up my face like a million killer toe. Big things are gone 2004. We just go for the gun when they say you know. And the whole millions and thousands of people say, no more. Big things are gone 2004. Then I'm being man grab back the mic and say, bunch of my father upon rifle. And then my mom desert eagle. From me a one day I'm going right. I'm just grab back the mic and say them bad but me oxmen since. Could they make them walk with about four together? 4-4 tune and then him grab with the mic and the father run like Bunty there for real.
Yeah.
Beenie Man know these things, Bunty like Bunty there for real, and the man just grab at the mic and say, one thing, I sit down, one thing, little boy. What you do? Zaga. And do him thing, and we just go so allow it and say, hey, we need this. Come up on this truck here, when we're going to drive the next half, and pick the truck, Bailey crawl, and we don't have nothing to say.
Oh yeah, it's
and
hours.
And the people will love it. Bring Bunty, like Bunty and Beenie to the crowd. And him not see that, because him not got it, Bunty's not there. I mean, see it and know. So I come from Seaview, I know Bunty song them like, come, me imitate him, just like come imitate Elephant, me imitate Boom Dynamite, all of them. Because we come from one place. You can't see them vice, the whole of them. We just do it.
That's big there. Africa. How many dates did you guys do when you're in Africa?
About 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Where in Africa?
Gambia.
All Gambia.
Yeah. And when we reach there, and as I said, the people run with the bus, like from downtown to Spanish Town, run beside the bus. Non-stop, run with the bus. Till me I put out 20 US through the bus.
Yeah.
I give some people, car. I'm just feel and I say, Jesus, the motherland, and the woman them just look good and life just look right. And I say, boy, for real, me there. It was about a 40 of us go on that trip there. Etana. Yeah. Because she had the backup singer for Richie Spice, and she get on that trip and thing, and she come with her guitar, play her guitar every day in the hotel. And we are 3/4 part, we El Boss Etana. Address, I saw the song name, is Address now.
Which one?
The Address, man.
Yeah, man. Yes.
And before that, she did some little song where me I try push, because when I say, it's the same Fifth Element, you know. She was with, you know.
Yeah, man.
Richie Spice. So me done boss Chuck Fenda, Richie Spice, Anthony Cruz, Fantan Moja, and I pipeline to do a mixtape with them, put them on the Far East rhythm too, and put them on many rhythm, put them on Balcomics rhythm where my one, two, we got 3 yard way and put Etana to the world now. So it was up to what my African friend called me named Bojan. Called me asked me about Etana. And I said, years I see her, you know. Years I must say, bigger the sister for me, because you don't talk Africa way and thing. So we go down there now, in the night now, rainfall. We're reaching at the hotel and when we reach at the hotel, the bodyguard them have to lock the hotel big gate for the people and stay outside. The people might run come in at the hotel with me. You know, so the people run from like, you know, for them length like from 3 miles to Spanish Town, run with the bus just barely a drive. And they might run beside it and I give it some US. When we're done, the man say you're going to see some people that gunshot cannot kill. And you can't stop up. I mean I say, we are talking because some you coming at the bus with me. I don't know if them like guide like we have Jamaica when tourists come them guide them, but them are like that. Them letting go maybe 5-6 of them. So when we're at the hotel and the rain start falling, you start telling me, you say, tomorrow is a festival, you're going to see. You understand? I mean, I said, he said, the man said, listen, it's 13 tribe. And the man said, this up to the government. Him not like all the next government running the country. I'm just telling him to come out, and that government knows say, Feme tribe so powerful, him nobody them just come out of the house and extradite himself to England. But if he just go England, him can't fight this man in spirit, because the spirit. It's not about him not carrying a gun or nothing, him just come and say, listen, you got to leave. Because you not need the country right, and people underage are get trouble, and so he end up now where he might tell me all these things. I say, yeah. I must say, yeah, the government him come from the countryside. You will shoot, and him will all. And I say, what? So the next day now. But they just tell him quick now one, the running thing upon the football field, upon the track. Because in the stadium of a track, the red track, so. But then, people are put fire in the mouth and I do all type of things because a festival. Rita Marlin had to stand with the president.
Yeah.
The president was a Rasta at that time. I don't know who now, but Rita Marlin had to stand. Me want to see. So me stand up near to the track. So them go around and come round to come to the stand now for stop this and do everything. Every one of them will do with them different things. So when we go to no one, we did it. I see the man want to come up and I see some shine thing go up in the ear from down the sound and come back down. I look good and I say, they not chop, no lost that. Man say, oh, I told you, hold on. The only reason why no shot no bus is because people is here and Rita is here and the president is here, them now use a gun. But I say, in my mind, I say, them they lost a shot, brother. Them they dull, brother. But all if it dull, it dig up your neck, it up empty your flesh you have. Yeah. So me still with just go on like me and deny. So when you reach closer to me now, you see the man put out him, let the man chop it. Man put out him belly, the man stab it with him knife and lost the man him have. And every, like 6 of them, 3, and then 3 take back, then the 3 take back the knife and chop the one the back, and then him take it back. So what? I say, what is this? So every time I'm saying the last go, I turn my face a little bit, but I put my eye, come on, really see same way. Can you turn your face and say, I'm see the last really go up on the man's neck, and the man put out him hand, and the man goes, brother, all of him belly, I go saw the hand chop off, bro. I say, this serious what the man told me last night. Africa, I'm really dead. Motherland, spirit high. Somebody then, it's like, but 2 still kind of doubt. You know, say, the 2 before, I for sure say, the last one really sharp. The man is go so. With the 2 before, I go so with the last, bing, and piece of the 2 before fly off. And when you fly off, I meet come juke. I meet Japan, and the girl but they beside me start laugh, because some girl, they with me, and the man, the same youth, them from the hotel, they with me. Come so them, they beside me, laugh like, the spirit send it, some come juke me, because you don't believe.
Yeah.
And I said, Jesus, Africa. And then I said, them do dirty wine, the real dirty wine before even Jamaica even. I said, yes, everything make for true. So we did a little bit and, So the man would tell me, say, listen to me. It's the only place I'm going to go when we walk past 2 girls who might have a relationship, the next 10 and 30 are virgin. The man him said, all of them they are virgin. I said, oh, you know? Him said, we know. And tell me about alligator when I eat meat. No human being. So you have a guy named Phil Watkins and Desai Boy, them did up on the trip too, with Etana. Yeah. And Etana, Phil Watkins, Desai Boy, and a youth named Joseph Court sing good too. Was on the trip. I will go look, got the pen, or the place go to the alligator. Me not going there do, but them going there and go sit down beside the alligator and mouth and the alligator say, I'm telling you, I like me a Rasta, I'm telling you, he's all from a woman. I said, what kind of alligator this are really African differently? Yeah, I come and tell them, them not come and all talk and tell Beanie Man talk and tell Tristan Palmer, the youth inspired Palmer. And think about it and see me a run joke with my man. I say, yeah, the alligator when I eat meat, if you put it down in my mouth with some color and go some bite and take blood, him no want it. No, I'm going to say the man them in there, but I'm saying, me now go in there, brother. And one of them go in there and sit down and lay down beside them and jam, laugh, because them take it for joke now, because them say are real. And the alligator don't want to meet. And look at the alligator never want to meet.
Listen, you've lived that very
those things
interesting life.
Yeah, with Adonai.
Yeah.
From 2006, 19 years now, I go Africa. In the stadium. Listen, when Adonai, we play the club big like the place here. We play. People run up and down. When I say run up and down, mad. Listen, so we start playing, the people lick down the door. Yeah. Lick down the door. The security can't hold it no more. And even the stadium, bussing. If you come listen Adonai play and come listen Ritama and come, it was a great experience.
The sound of the future.
Sound of the future.
Okay, and that was '06, you said.
'06.
You've done crazy stuff until up to '06. '07 now. This is where your life took a different change altogether.
Yeah, before New Year's Eve, 06, New Year's Eve, I got New Year's morning, 07, me in Italy. Spend New Year's in Italy. And find out, so them celebration better, wicked than the black man celebration. When you're there at Jamaica and hear something like a bomb at show, you swear, say, blow, what kind of thing them think that? Listen to me. Bomb, a bomb show in Italy, when they must celebrate, boo, loud.
Yeah.
Those things are experienced because that's New Year's Eve, I got New Year's morning, me in Italy. I go playing at the club. So everybody celebrate the New Year's morning and come in outside. Nobody in the club till after 12. So I was in Italy coming to 2007. And then they book me back. Like about the May, June. We come play back at Italy. So it was 2 times before coming up. And then we go America, come back. They go America, the summer, come back. Leave the September, come back in November, and then them shoot me. I get shut up.
What, if you could explain, what had happened that led it to the shooting and stuff like that?
It was like, but they are New York. They are foreigner. Me, I say, what kind of thing I can keep for the youth can get something people? Because I'm a people person. That's why I say all these things stand up for you, for them to make money and me make some money too. I just want to make all of the money and my scheme and my place. So they are Jamaican, a spirit come to me and say, keep something named Seaview thing. Or Seaview thing. And I say, I'm afraid of that thing. So Seaview thing still, you know? And fly down with the idea. As I fly down, I do a posters and put bounty pan it and beanie pan it and elephant them pan it and dynamite. Everybody may put pan it because I just go to them and show them, say, this time I put, like, we don't know if them have data and but me didn't know. Bounty never go sting that year there. And anybody check the history, you know, 2000, we never got a sting that year there. So, me there half a tree with Cassette Ninja car is a man I always look for right at Constant Spring Arcade. We keep the link because I have a vibe. So, me come down and go up there and me I say, Cassette Ninja. And I hear one radio play. I refer my play with Bounty live. So, I say, you know, so I want to see Bounty star. I know me see man, see, you know, I refer my we don't watch him there. So, Cassette Ninja said to me, say, we should watch it. I said, no, I refer that. Man say, might I refer the right behind Kansas Spring Arcade. Them have one radio station around there. So, I say, where I say? Man say, yeah, man. I'm saying, I'm going to find him now. Go check him now and Russell Boop and go around there, him and Future Trouble there. I said to him, say, boy, I'm killer. Miss Jones, cause the principal for the Seaview Primary School, Miss Jones. And I say, boy, you know, me not a reason. Because my son go there and there's a woman who rape me. I get all father of the year around there. Like carry my picking go school. My son was there in New York now, carry my bleach and come in the morning, I press and carry my school and then come sleep. So like, she said, boy, little desk and little books, you know. And we say, Ray, so me say, I say, killer, no matter what, because killer never too, even still a come back and see you like that. I mean, I say, boy, you know, do something and thing. And he say, killer, see all the posters my print, no come have a bug cross my back. He must say, you don't run, man. And Ray say, yo, you don't run, man. I say, no, man, then I'm a done, man, I'm a general, man, Ray, and man look on Future Trouble and say, Future, what you say? Anything you say, what you say? Future Trouble, I say, prior that, you know. Can't forget that Future Trouble say, prior that, you know, them you there always conscious and you know, talk the right thing. I like it too. I like it, so I say, all right then. What you said? I say, yeah, we can do something for the school. And you know, you understand, and 1 and 2 youth. Because me do the thing like we're rising star now, where because Snow Cone is my brethren, you know, my real friend, you know.
Okay.
From 2000, you know. Because the same fully loaded that Matterhorn with, you know, me boss Rice and Peas that year, you know. 2001, you know, Rice and Peas rhythm, you know, me boss it and boss the Sugar Slick and Assassin, you know. To the world I dedicate this song. Wah, 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 wah. And gunshot fire, because I like 100 gunshot fire for me, you know. I win the juggling round and Matterhorn beat me in the clash, you know. The only person in the juggling round, each up beside me, as Sky Juice, you know. Drop 2 Warrior King, you know, and get some rotted shot fire for him, you know. But me I lead him, because I have a medley beat him and we sing the whole place 2001, you know. Because we go so boop, you know, and we will check it out and link, you know, and me I forgot came on the same 2001 fully loaded Friday for come back the Sunday. So I dread the yard, I cut the tune, but we cut the Beanie Man from the Tuesday night, because we have to bleach from Beanie Man the Monday and the Tuesday. But I don't know what happened now. Look like Killer hear one little thing, and so me I'm calling a dub. And go do dub with Matterhorn and Earth. So that's our next part too. Because there's so many things to talk. They're fully loaded there. When we drop the rice and peas and a gunshot, when we drop the Beanie Man medley, because the Beanie Man medley like him DJ and let him talk. DJ talk. Like him
yes.
You talk about rich, you have a house rich, woman rich, pitney rich, mother rich before you can see rich. I'm going to tell you, when I say them hype, Adonai, when I say them tight, and so them see them fight against prayer, and I fight against dread, and I fight against Adonai. But the boy can't stop me. When I beg down, how we done that? The dub that the wicked, one of the wickedest dub. Because every time him do a song, him stop and talk. Hold on there. So in the last when the rhythm done and start back, him call Bunty name. And call Firelinks name and Matterhorn name. We good with that part there. But when it goes to the me dread say, yo, what is? Feel like Beanie Man read for spite, though. That more answer. Beanie Man read for spite, man. Because you know, say Adonai. Hey, yo, Adonai Sound in future. He like I said, I give some dub, but I freak them up. Yo, my youth try to go here. Matter look like Bunty go here one different thing. And do all that no business and yeah, with Matterhorn. That's how Matterhorn get the edge. Because we would get to Bunty killer too. And he couldn't beat me. So even a clash them try to play all who send them. And he scratch. Jump on the turtle message that not a play. Because to a Bunty against me right now. That never play. For just try what we have. And when we look, we have an ARP and Gringo. And when the clash done, a DJ Karima say, because we don't play Panda Sound, I hit a chip off, I will go up a Red Assads. I'm saying, I want to hear Sharon Burke, you give me the first visa of my life. What is lock up yourself for? Oh, no boy in the bigger than Adonai fly this. But a Red Assads stop, so it fly. And so we get that time now, because if we go over there now, we don't. Because the same show there, as a DYCR bossing, and so much thing that Kete drop, on fire. Because the dread link him and tell him when he want it. And he must say, do it because the dread will call elephant phone and a fire links on site, you know. I say, oh, yo, you know, I get not shown. Yeah. Me I tell you what happened and then, so we do the DYCR, say, I fire up and a selector walk carrying it. Sound name to artists, forget freedom. I fire. And then I fire. Because the sound before my boat that fully loaded, about 4 sound get boo, you know, before me go up, you know. And then Jimmy Cliff that and him, others I call me, you know. And I call and sound them, you know. Once by the time I reach, put on the box, I came and me, I come from straight, you know. I go straight, I fully load them, they're going to be hard, I'll know, you know, I pull everything, then I carry back, you know. So it's when it goes out, and by the time she say, your time, I never circulate, I'm back, I make a record box, I'm heavy and I walk through sand. And think I'm a go so in a full black. I'm a Nike here, buy a Cayman, black and gold. I have my Nike shirt, I'm a do-rag, and walk out. And to the people I'm mad, I buckle left for fling. To the people I'm boo so much sound, I buckle left. And I walk out and say, people, thank you. You know, I'm say, people, we don't know right now, I'm mad. And I almost buckle left for the fling, but I just want to give me a listen here, please. And the place boss, I said, please. People I'm say, Jesus, I have manners. Him said, please. And go listen to me. I'm going to drop the DYCR. And who she go some boss? It's when the DYCR and the whole place boss, the next tune jump on the turntable. Say, you know, the people, mad back right now, ready back. I'm saying, people. So me have a talk name. Me have a rag style.
Yeah.
When me boss. So me, when I go and turn on to dread, I say, what go on? Yo. And so now we start talking about the turntable. I said, fly that, Sharon Burke, you give me visa, not turntable can't pay the I'm done. Away I do, fly that. So when he fly now, a spirit said to me, say, turn around back. And say, I'm just going out and say, the man the one knows the girl can't be in the face rag, take out the rag and wipe your face. And gunshot fire, pow, 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 pow. And people laugh. And I said, John will come the rag style immediately of it. Them time the man used to walk with rag in a back pocket. And I like, no, we pants and get close. And them time they have a man have rag in a back pocket. And I say, take out the rag. The man who knows saying now the rare family. The chope your rag now. So when I say chope rag, people are drop on people. Gunshot again. Dum, 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 dum. And the place get wild. You have the place wicked. And them time they know the Beanie Man know have an entry where the dread cut off. Him like him you whip on the CD, but he don't have the entry there again. Like him I say, the selector that who play the tune. And the one we have pass the tune to the selector turntable and feel up that one. Yeah. And the one we have pass the one they feel up that one. And who plays boss and gunshot fire. And when the Beanie Man would have for the mission of murder. I'm gonna drop the Bunty Chucky and drop 2 something of the whole show. And me a lead. Go down to the Matterhorn part and me a lead. With about 20,000 people have the whole show week. The same fully loaded, them find the 21 gun. That 21 gun them find and 21 are bad people. I tell you. So it come right back up to, you know, there's so many issues, so many things that Adonai done. I mean, really bust rice and peas. I mean, bust all these artists. Some artists, some not even right now where
you don't even remember.
You know, come to my brain.
But how we even got here, you're telling me the story about how you got shot.
Yes. So the shot when now the show for keep and thing now and Blink Bunty and Bunty say yes now, but say all right, we're gonna do this now. See him? I put out the posters and thing, but in the community them when it's a youth try to help people, most of the bad man them kill you. That's how Jamaica stay. You understand? Them if you help somebody and somebody might ball to you more, them say you want to turn down and put down upon you and kill you. Meanwhile, them vex or you can help somebody or grudge you. Because them feel say, different from the gun, people just call you done to and anything. But you know, sometimes you are the done, but you know, financial, it's just somebody else. That's why when enough man have them money and go down and thing and try, enough of them not come back, them dead. Because the done just feel like, him just get jealous. Or feel like, say, you don't come for take one of done, we don't want a gun. Just stop them something there. Just come help enhance that the police don't look upon you neither. So now me I try help the community, as I say, and help the school and rain. Now it's like you have some done all foreign too. And some down there where them control who down a yard. So they them team up and you understand. And one night when I go for the posters them up a pavilion. Come put out some already and go for some bigger posters now a pavilion now, the real thing now and come in and sorry, I'll check my lady first that over the train line. Because she live over the train line, you know. And say me I go over there and think them lay with me, because them know my lady live over there. Them lay with me. And when I reach, my lady never reach from work yet. Because she called me a pavilion and said she'll go reach home such and such, but she ended up, you know, I'm meeting because she used to work at the Burger King. She was a supervisor. Before she turned manager, she passed away, you know, rest in peace. You know, and Christine, and you don't know. So them time, you know, it's like now, you know, it's like it's an old thing. So when I go check her, I say we just a gear a link still, you know, even if things they kind of, you know, to, you know, cause me like play ungrateful, you know, I link her and say, wanna go on? And she say, no, so I love it, so I say, I don't look fair and thing, and them know, so I might go over there, so them lay with me and over there and easy. So when I'm ready for leave now, and they on the phone, I say, yo, I just come check you, and you know, they should tell me that's when I even come over here, I just stop on my yard over my mother, and it's like me I get shot and I know at the same time. And she said to me, say, come hear the gunshot, you know. And she say, I wish for them shot there fire. I say, maybe the man might clean them gun. Meanwhile, me, the man clean him gun pan. So like when by the time she says to me, I'm gonna make 2 more steps. I start get dizzy. And when I turn around, it's a brother that under the Woody. I'm gonna know him. Because the Woody, anytime him a war with the next side, right? Because I say the scheme war at times, him have a Woody when put on one head of the Woody. And him say him had done for over my place. I mean, you shoot me, no done, you're drunk, or whatsoever. You know, humanity, you know, good, you know, right. When you come for hurt people and destroy things. Because when I try to do something for your school, and then you send one man to me when I play ball day, I say, you want a bar in my show. And she tell you, say, you know, if you spend so much money, and then I try to do somewhere, you tell me, say, you want a bar in my show. Because you know the liquor business. And him never take the liquor from. You know, I make money that's already. All liquor where everybody show you where Bunty go come and Munga and all and elephant and you gonna make a money and you understand and boom dynamite. Them time that's the last time all innocent crew DJ together. That was my show before Clumsy that's dead. Yeah. And Dynamite dropped too. But that's the last show where Copper, we were in a innocent crew, we'd fly down and all of them. 3 of them they meet up, I think 3, 4 of them. That's the last time them come together. That's when we get shut up and come out and still the show still keep. So, you know, them just terrible with life, yo. So I so now get the shut up, they try to get back together and thing and I check all Kartel. Kartel say, hey, what's going on? The place, down your place, I hear that who hurt you. All of them are, I say, yeah, my brother. I say, well, I'm glad you're alive. And do one song for me. Well, I know it not get for release because we have a rhythm name Lap Dance, you know. Adonai have his own rhythm in a long time we see producing, you know. I just shoot up when I get on the rust, go back go foreign, come live, we not get for release those song. I'll know one Cartel. And I few weeks after, like a couple months after, maybe 2 or so, him left Alliance after that, the vibe start.
Yeah.
Because in the tune him say Alliance. One tune when I say, when I go near clap up, police step and back up, they can't knock up. After that knock up party, but them hot up, them want to war me when my rifle them stack up. Bullet pack up, like I must say, bullet pack up, like how people pack up in a bus. They beat the rifle till it bust, and they beat the rifle till it buck. They beat the rifle till it buck, and every bone in him broke. Marrow couldn't fly, so it does happen like conduct. He should be knifing him belly like he need a tummy tuck. So at the entry, must say, Pryor, them first come fire, now you know your friends are returning the fire and boy, been up like a wire. Wow! Where? When the gun, the clap up. Adonai is not a dog.
Yeah.
He's 45, which you may get hurt. That's how close me and him is.
And how long were you down for after you got shot?
Well, look how life stay. That 2007 December. I can't forget I have a show, March of Canada.
Yeah.
3 months after, when I come to Canada, the time cold, I for my hand in a tree, towel in the hotel room. I can't remember which part I played in Canada, but it was the end of March, I got to April. Then my passport is there right now. So at 3 months, I never heal yet. And should I say, sure, I say, yo, I'm ready. I'm coming to Canada, because the nerves. So when the cold attack this more than anything else, I'm wrap about 3 towels like this. So 3 months after, I'm there in Canada, after 7 gunshots. Still not, my belly not heal yet, because my belly cut. Show ram in Toronto too. And mash it up and go back on my yard. That's 2007. So the rest, he end up live foreign more, you know, and thing. So we don't know, me alone can't, because them time they know or before, you know, Desi know of him sound, I build him sound, you know. Them flavor unit, you know.
Oh, that's Desi song.
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah.
No flavor unit.
Flavor unit. So nobody know that for Adonai.
Yeah.
It was me and Dave Marshall. And them time they know the rest Oliver Farm, Dave Marshall know you plan for leave the sound.
Yeah.
You know, I don't understand. I know I can't understand. A sound have so much potential, and you see what we're doing in the world. When me and him going to the world, some place will lock down. Some girl will have, and some girl will come link with back in the days or anything. The interviews, the connection. Some never know why, you know, but every man know why them what them want to do, or know why them do what them do, you know. So me are struggling to 2007. I try to get a second come right up and never get a real second till just 1 year. And I think the second they linked me like 5-6 years ago and become a foreign. About 7 years ago. Yeah, 9 years. 2016 the last time I fly down from America, I never go back. Because I might must do 4 months or than me visiting and them turn me down. So you know, still have to fight the struggle coming through 8, 9, 10, same way, you know. Because a bomb now, before that, 2007, 8, the clash now with Movado and Cartel, you know, we link up and thing and, you know, we go inside, go play Cartel, you know, nobody does say nothing. Me go some book now and go big yard. Because like after Sting or so, him done link me for Ramping Shop Sunday. Him link me already. So, you know, after Sting and thing, him link me. I'm going to go and check him. And thing, and he must say, yo, Sunday, yeah, I play. And I'm going to say, yeah, man, all right. I think the Ramping Shop Sunday, it was New Year's Day, that Sunday. And thing, and go up there now. And, you know, a bonfire and thing, and go on some girl tune and have the whole place week. A Ramping Shop, you have 2 matches laying up on the wall over there, so them choking at the road, the girl them start getting mad, Pryor bust the place, laugh at the place. Me and burn it. But you know, me know say me done hear things and selector where I get fight and who I play tune and read. But true, me know me a big man, because I tell you, say Cartel, done him call me everything, you know. Because this year, you know, half a century, you know. You understand? And him look up to me because he know the levels, so he call me anything. One thing I'm going to come check him. Oh, this, I'll Bunty selector. I'm going to say, you see, you know, ramp, you know, I tell a friend him. No, but I say Bunty's my DJ too. Want him keep the respect. Always keep him. I don't know about other, but when we do it all the while, because I know, say, We loyal, him know, I see him come from. Because when we carry him from Bermuda, said we and thing, and drop him and drop him and him there see him, I say, Jota, go on. And all of my friends on the corner, I say, him name Vybz Kartel, you know. I'm a boss, you know. And we even the trip, I look on him and tell him, say, one thing more you do. No matter what you do, don't move from round killer because you must boss. And him look at me and say, Pryor, what you say? I say, you got boss. We don't know what I'm to kill, but him have that something there. Because remember, say killer do it from the scare them too, scare them, come right up, come in between every little thing to him. So I tell him, say, yo, and him end up here, and it be a great result. So it come to a when we have to fight and come right through. So even that time, you know, when the ramping shop and thing, when we go to now and the ramping shop, I go on and the place I mash up. My friend now, only you know, when I did a soldier prima, he me carry the night because I tell him something on a second. And him say for come play that time now, 2008 I got 9. So the same 2008 me a healer come up and me and him link more time and thing. So when the morning now, 2009 New Year's morning, and we did a mash of the place, and the place again wild, my second goes now, and put on the Steve rhythm. But me no know, so you have some man beside the 2 turntable. But me think some people just enjoy themselves. But the man that was there as bodyguard for if anything we play them not like for stop. To when we read it about see it. Because it becomes a thing where the tune I play and my selector go so. I remember say the Steve rhythm so the mother start, you know. I want, but him not say I want to them, I'll not reach I want to them. But I say and the 2 turntable man, I try and mash up, because them don't know, man, I mash up, them not busy, them mash it up to it, it's serious. They might try and stop it. They play the bully drunk down on this boom and you know, and beer things up. Because my scheme still a war for me, you know. And beer things are going, you know. And everybody know that, you know, guns out and beer things, you know. And someone stop at me and say, come on, frightened too. Because through with the 2 out, we just come do this, because I'm still at heel and with the 1 and 2 dance. And we do not hear the news thing about rare. Me don't know, say, even one selector must go to the week before, have some problem and things. So it's serious that we did then. So me say, yo, what is? And me just see a man come and say, yo, the dancer for Lava Pryor that we boss him, and can't go foreign and everything. Just pack up a tune, Pryor. Everything, Chris. And because I'm still frightened, I say, come on, because man know me, come and say me link. So man I say, yo, Pryor, no enough to play that and I say, you know, deep, so. Because when I say me an old school selector, me did it from Beanie and Bunty a war. And when I go to Waterhouse to play Bunty and Beanie, through Bunty do gun song still and things. So anyone they will get real forward. But nobody that stop you. So me I come from the school where me play the mother and go for the big foul called Theme Town. Because me play up a gully side boat a month before, you know. Or 3 weeks, you know. And play and go for the mother real forward on the gully side. So at the same thing, you're going to do now because in your town or in I wish by you spar. Big yard. So me dog go so boop I and my players are my play. If you go get that have the talk fix and everything. And I write this everything, you know, crash and things. So I write this the crashing going on between me and him. Cause now me did this now and leave out the night now. Did it for a little while and walk go cause me car park out you have a plaza out of the front part of big yards. So me car park cross road and we go out there. Did a little camp, did a watch and thing and did say I make 2 phone calls, you know. Cause I don't know enough, but anyway, you know, link my friend about thing and anyway, but I say I walk, you know, cause I don't get hurt already, you know. Anything, you know, cause I don't way them I got thing now, so I'll do the man say everything, Chris. But you have to walk, come out a big yard. So we go so boop and walk out there and go in my car and, you know, link up and say, you know, star and thing. So from this and now, the widening start. We now to link him or so when we go and give one 3 month break, about March we go link him and thing. As we pull up, he might pull up on Kingfish. Just a look brown. So same time I try me have wine in car glass, so we come out to the car, film Kingfish, pull up behind me right at Exodus, come out and say, DJ, you know more I see you. You don't know him. I say, yeah man, I'm ready, but when we go back for wine up the car glass, I wonder why I walk so fast. Because we look back, you know, because so we get to you to know, so we look back and you walk fast and thing. And I say, normally, that, you know, because Pryor is more wait. I am going to the yard and wait and then fully gate and go shut the studio there. Well, a reason. And the man I said, leave, you know, the man I said, prayer. When I'm reaching me, somebody laugh behind the gate when I go, because you have a front gate, you have a second gate. So by the time I go so, I'm going to knock. I'm going to say, where you want? So me myself, if I just know I walk, you know. But me just determine a little because some mistake, I want to see, you know. And if you hurt me, it can be different. Them time I don't. You understand? Me just like, so I say, but the DJ just talk to me good. Time still talk to me good. So by the time I say, yo, a prayer man, but I see the man himself laugh again and talk again. He still not by the gate again. When we look one brother where one time, when we go to him try for bright himself. And now I did just look at my car, but where you come just a show pay word, I'm there express away pan Kartel. I know so Kartel, you know, selector friend this and he might talk off him out. Because you know, so you got every DJ have them thugs them time and around. So when they come and say, talk to him, I don't know why you even read with him. Because him there, so treat me, and he never understand. I want him. So upon the next, so upon the third bed now, info scroll out to that ratchet. Must be just because we make sure stay from the gate and not the gate. Wide, so bang bang. So you see the third now come back, the gate just fly. I like him, I give a chance to move. So the guy but they don't go make the third knock now, like I only could the same little brother with him for one and give it to. Him run out. I have one when we run the gate, the devil. Run out. Don't call back the DJ name. I say, somebody come with us, when him come up with us back. You understand? Because them not do me nothing now. We not take no check still. Because by the time I see run, I'm say, where do? Because we done the day at the gate and go so. And by the time the gate fly, I go so, I'm back after it fly. So we just reverse back and pull back the front gate, but then just dry it up. I swear.
Listen, Brian, your life
brother.
in music has
brother.
been nothing short of eventful.
Nothing short,
Listen,
man.
I know we could still go on for another hour or two, but I think this right here is definitely going to come out in a part 1 and part 2.
Yeah.
This right here, they're going to get a look into your life,
man.
what you've done in some business, what you're doing and what you continue to do. And as I said, this right here sets us up for another conversation for when you come back. I know there's still so much more in your brain.
More artists, what Dread bring to me. Yeah, man, Guapelos, enough artists said we put to the road, you know, couple artists where him have them information there, you know. It's just, what I say is, why we all live bad with that one life we have to live? Nobody no come around for turn stone.
Yeah.
Why you gonna know some of their fear and thing, and even with Fifth Element, them I'm around them and thing, and do the thing and fight for Chuck Fenda. I not tell about when my boss some artists, I not talk about no bugger sound and play them, you know. That's the first thing I want to make people know, you know, because when people so put some artists to the world, them things say, you know, it's not no, they play them without nobody playing all these artists. Anthony Cruz, Chuck Fenda, Richie Spice, Etana, all of them go up on the road with my big dub them, stop my segment, put them in a deep segment, to put them when the dance get hot, because through we can talk. And my commanding, I have that demand, could have stopping at the baddest part of the dance.
Yeah.
Up to Oliver from Metro, the man always say, you're one of the bravest you know. Squingy, the World Clash.
Yeah.
That's everything so going on 2005, 6, I think 2005, when the next year, the year when he drop off in the cricket suit, I don't remember the year before that when he win the clash, he drop a 3 round, he not even go 1 for 1, he win the clash. Man, Squingy the backstage, check Mr. Keith, I tell him something for play bass of this. Squingy.
Okay.
Say, if you play bass of this, I won't turn on my grave. I say, what you talk about dead? I'm not telling him, lie, God Almighty. Because like you know, and the next year, I'm still coming in week and drop off in the cricket suit. That year, there, I'm in a full black with Mark, and the man called me and say, Pryor. Because I have a thing where we plan to come from foreign and we're playing a World Clash. And we do a banner. Mark, no rare allowed in Jamaica. One big banner, go downtown, go buy 2 yards of white cloth. And put and write the words big and thing, and then when we go to write the words big, when we come down from foreign, we go straight to CV and Dread. I say, yo, I forgot mobile. No, I said no. I don't give my mother the money, but I my mother, I go for the banner. When I go for the banner, when we did the carry back and Desi and Dread a plan, and Desi was there. I said, Pryor, where people are juggling there? He never know. Yeah. He never know me when I have this for player. Come have a youth just for budget named Mitch.
When do Mitch them? ARP them?
Yeah, we do him do a song with him do over the Mario song, the Dread. When we're gonna for the Dread, do it over. Yeah, baby, you just don't. Him do it the next way. So it's a certain thing, if you understand. So I say, all who want to put the one I done at normal, and then I stand at airport, because Pier 1 me I play, everybody point over there. All who know, say, no, if I normal airport, they want to put up one of them banners there as you come out of the plane, the seat. Put up your hand. You know, anyway you do normal airport, the pint there. People start to go to people here, because people are pint all the mobile, all about pint all on the beach, everything. You say, me go so, and drop that, because it's me and Corey that play the juggling round. And Blaze run off his mouth. You have a name Blaze. I said, oh, if they in the clash, we know in the juggling thing chain. And we are do, where me a big sound now. I say, we ain't bigger than Adonai. And Master Lee, I'm a friend for years, we was a youth, you know, for years now. So I said, I have to teach him a lesson. And me and Desi now start play the song without the dread. But we pick the tune by ourselves and talk on it. If you have a girl, and I say, take away your girl, Desi from you, you're mine her from me, and Desi run in that box, find a tune, and match a tune there, and we mash up the whole place. I'm saying, let me tell you something. The place I mash up yet, you know. All this are 80%. All when we mash up the place 100% now. Make some nice, gun on, cut some Jamaica and play some tag man. I'm just going to roll out the banner. So I roll out the banner and say, the place bust and gunshot fire. And the people might read it. I say, read it. And the people them say, no, I know what it means, Javi. And read it. And go say, turn them, and drop the signature. Tying up some ends and they do that, keep friend. Not more than to tell you.
Leave some info where they want to book the song, they want to link here, anything before we get out of here.
Yeah, man, right now, you don't know me, I'm a brother. They are world boss, you know, world flames, I'm there with him. Adonai, they are same way too, I have everything. You know, we're out in the world, we're out in the place. Canada, you don't know. World boss, if you give me your number, your armate, because we never know your number out of it, you know. But my Jamaica number, yeah, man, yeah. My Jamaica number, you don't know. 876, you don't know, 3620405. My Instagram is Pryor Lava. You don't know. You don't know. My TikTok page, Adonai Sound of the Future. Lava Pryor, same way. You don't know. Facebook, Lava Pryor, same way. You know, so you can check me out and link me and thing, you know. And you don't know where it go. We still have it. We don't lose it. No time. Because we're born for this. We're born for this. So sometimes you don't know out of sight, out of mind. And sometimes, you know, people think, say, we don't know about work. We can't get work. We don't know about, like how some selector get work and they're not good again. And no, people, already we have the energy, we have the strength, and we just want to big up a couple of people before we leave too. You don't know. We have to big up the Almighty God, the Kings of Kings, the Lord of Lords. Because we know and sure that He met me there. You understand? He met me there, and I pray my name, and I can't let Him out. That's the first thing. My mother and my father, Caesar, Seymour, my mother is Gillette. Big up my father by biological father. Yeah, him living in America, Atlanta. You don't know, Bernard Thames. Big up world boss mother, said we, my stepmother, Tatsy. You don't know, and big up everybody, big up Snow Cone. For years, you hold me up, brother. Respect and love. Big up God. Big up Barry. My real friend them. And big up Ross Adonai. Big up all of them. Big up Larry to send me, you don't know, because no matter what, it all build with them. You understand? And to tell it before me leave, you know, so when I left Japan and come back over, Larry calls me and tells me the next boss couldn't agree. I apologize and tell me, say, you liar. That him said to me, he said, I go around here, you know, I'm sorry. Because I say you're really loyal and true. When everybody gone, you know, move. Even when him gone. So, you don't know again. Big up Ross Adonai. You don't know. You don't know. Said we, no matter what, I'm not keep no help a boss, but you're my boss. You don't know.
Pryor.
You don't know.
Listen.
One Jamaica. One Canada.
It's been probably about 2 years, if not even 3 years, that I've had a conversation this long. You understand? I know you still didn't say everything that you remember in your mind. Hold on. Yeah, because I know if you go again, we're going to go for another hour.
Yeah, so
listen, Pryor, the people that are really going to get a glimpse and an insight into who you are, what you've been doing. This man that we heard on cassette from in the early 90s until now, you're going to get a good insight. But again, maybe as I said,
I'm going to first go to Africa to allow the Africa and go to these places. And we don't have a good time. Because we know it's a rough leave. So, we just want to say, people when they hear it. And there's so much. I wonder the little time you get, like, in a sound business, like, yo, listen, if Adonai at so small then, I mean travel so much. Listen to me, my passport have changed before it done. I just want to tell the people them that me done 4 passport and me get shut up and the sound drop good while. Imagine me have so much passport. Adonai a world sound. And that them say, Adonai come with a difference.
The sound of the future.
Sampler. Adonai have AI before AI come in. Adonai right now, every radio station will press something name. Drop in the big, heavy tune. Adonai first do that. Adonai do them something there. I'm going to stand up and listen to Adonai per radio more time. I said, God, why? Why, Father? So, my brother, big up my brother, world boss.
World boss. Make one call and say,
world boss.
That's all right, Bob. Let's make it happen.
The little brother, but him look like my big brother, you know? You don't know.
Yo.
Respect him and love him, because him not left me out. So, you know, big up to everybody.
Aye.
Manners and love and respect. Muscle, big up to you too, because you take time out to listen to me. Touch it, seal it up. The Almighty. And you listen to me, because we get other opportunity, and them go around me, them feel me, they make me wait. And when I come for cause of trouble, I just come for talk my life. When we go through. And I feel it's right for talk my life. I can't talk when I go so. I have to talk what happened to me and what happened. When I look no ratings, when I look no pity, I think when I come into the business and do so much work, just put little respect, because all glory be unto God, you know. Some I want the glory, you know. And God get all glory. I mean, I go give you God glory, so nobody give me God glory. You understand? There's no say prayer. You do a lot to the business, and if you just get more respect than that. So even the tour race Kartel Lepan, and him say to a selector, next track, I feel dead as a twin. When Richie Spice go into the world, I feel dead as a twin. When Etana, what she move on and do it, I feel dead as a twin. I play 2 tracks, you know. For me, I used to boast so much artists, and any new tune, all any bunty new tune and being a new tune, and if you not get them respect there, because me a youth know for talk and song, that I'm a key. I just them thing them, I say, give me some more respect. We do a lot of work. Because the DJ, the way we nurture everybody, know we're him around the stadium. And me first came going foreign. And me show him love too. And show him the game too. So, I'm valuable to the business. That's all me I say. Chuck Fenda, make money. If you not to make it now. Richie Spice, you make money. And nobody not help me with what. Them. Nobody. You understand? We go to Smoke One give me, we go Vybz Kartel to 45. Come here, next Kartel, you know, what say, your piece on the mirror, you know, your face, your piece on the mirror, you know, on the mirror piece on the wall like a poster would stay. When do like it's a 45, you know. But him call by name, I call Adonai name, like, you know, a Snow Cone 45, the bad, if you do, you know, when we get back the tune, you know, it has a Adonai, you know. Them things they don't get for put out. Snow Cone have them dub too. Them 45 there. And I've all a thing name for him. Hey girl, you love when you strip tease, but
Pryor.
What there?
Aye. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out just for now.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.